Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join a channel in Slack. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is to join your working space. And that means you will need just to log in into your Slack account and then access to any workspace that you want to search for a channel to join. After that, you will be needing to find the channel that you want to join. And to find channel or to search for channel, you have two options. Either you can go through the list of the channels or you can simply search for a specific name of a channel. Now we are already in this project name, channel, and here we have like the searching bar. You can click on it and search for a channel name. So here I'm just going to search, for example, for this agency channel. So I'm just going to type agent. Now we want just to find channels. And as you can see, we can already find some or filter our searching results. So we go to the channel and basically there, if you've never been a member of this channel, you will find like a join button in green. It will be the same color as this and it will be in the middle of the page. Otherwise, if you don't know the name of a channel and you want to like go through the list of channels, you can simply click on more and from here you will find channels. Basically, here you will be able to start browsing through channels. And here it will also start giving you some filters that you can go through. So either you can like find the channel that you have created or channels, etc. And you can also choose a working space, organization, and a channel type. After that, you will be needing just to click on it, or you can simply find the join button if you're not already a member. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.